Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing yet another Thrunite flashlight, a very high quality one of course, like always. Now this one's a little different, this one's more tactical. As you see, I've done one very similar to this a while back, a couple years, maybe a year and a half ago or so. This one is a very nice one. The one that I did before, when you unscrewed this, you could screw a red, blue, green cap on here. Now, I feel pretty certain I have not done it because the one that I did review on, I still use in my backpack, and I haven't taken it out for hunting, so I don't really know if it will screw on here, but I think the same head is the exact same size as this one. But this one here is strictly going to be for my daughter. It has a tactical edge on it, and I will tell you that if you get hit by this thing right here, you're going to wish you didn't. Now, you know, along those lines, you can still bright people. You know, you can turn the light on, and it's pretty doggone bright. You can literally bright somebody, and of course you can just strobe them too if you feel like you need to. Now, this flashlight has a very long battery life. I have yet to kill it. I've had it for almost a month now, and I've used it pretty regularly just to take the dogs outside, to go to the bathroom, to see what was out in my yard. There's some deer out there, spotlighted them, and I will tell you that it's very, very high quality. I will show you in this classroom here. If you remember, I told you I have a new job. I will show you guys what it looks like in here, and I will take it outside this evening, and I will show you what it looks like out there. Then I'll come back and I'll finish the video, tell you what I think of it. If it's, you know, one of my favorites. If it's not, we'll go from there. One thing I like about this light, I don't know if you can tell here in the video or not, but it has this logo on it. It's a pretty cool logo. Now comment down below if you know what that logo is. I'm not even going to tell you what it is, but if you know what that is, comment down below and let me know. All right, let me read the specs and then we'll go test this thing out. We'll test it out in here first so you can see what it looks like inside of a building, and then we'll go outside, like I said, and we will test it out there. Now I'm going to read this straight from here. Also, the specs will be in the description if you guys are interested in reading more about it. I'm just going to kind of brief over that. There's a lot here to read. I'm not going to read everything. I'm just going to hit the highlights. All right, so the output is 2,000 lumens for 60 seconds, 680 for 155 minutes, which is pretty doggone good. High is 606 for 3 hours and 40 minutes. Then you have medium for 125 lumens for 13.5 hours, 25 lumens on low for 45 hours. Firefly is 0.5 lumens, which is bright, which you will see here tonight, for 41 days, and lumens, 600 lumens for strobe. It does not have a runtime. I guess it kind of just depends on what state your battery's in. All right, it'll throw a 259 meter maximum distance. The intensity is 16,800 CD, that's max. Impact resistance 1.5 meters, IPX8 for 2 meters. You have the Firefly, low, medium, high turbo modes, and then when you long press the button, it goes to strobe. All right, so if you leave this on this setting, the medium, you turn the tail switch off. When you turn it back on, it's set to go there again. Then you just cycle back through here. All right, so whatever you leave it on, mode you leave it on, when you hit that button, it's there again. It's a pretty simple light. You know, for what it is, it's got a lot of, I mean, my hand's good size. And if I hold it right in the middle, I mean, it sticks out both ends. And I feel like if I had to use this for a weapon, which I don't recommend, but if that's what you're buying it for this tactical edge, you know, you're going to collect some DNA on this. All right, I'll tell you what's in the box. You get your pouch, which I'm not ever a huge fan of these pouches. You know, they're there to keep it, you know, very safe. I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. These pouches have gotten better since Thrunite's gotten bigger, and this one feels a little more robust. I'm not going to say each one of them feels better, but this one here definitely feels a lot better than the normal. You get a clip if you want to put it in your pocket. It's a big light, but you know, if you want to put the clip on. I didn't carry it like that. I just kind of, like I said, used it for my dog to go in and out of the house and shine around the deer. Now, this comes with a charger. Your charging port is right here. It's a USB-C, so pretty much any USB-C charger will work. And then you get your lanyard, which I'm definitely not a fan of. You'll never see me use any of these, and you get your extra O-rings. Now, they always send you O-rings, and I don't know why, because I have never, ever, ever broke an O-ring on here. The ones that come standard on here are usually pretty robust and just never had an issue. You get a 3400 milliamp battery, 18650. So it's a big old battery. I mean, it's a good sized battery. If you already have these flashlights, which I recommend these 100%, then you know if this battery goes dead and you're out in the woods or whatever, swap the batteries out, and then you have a fresh battery to keep on going through the woods or camping, hiking, whatever you're doing. Now I'm going to go ahead and test this out in this building right now, like I did in my last video. You guys will see what it looks like, and take it outside, and then you guys make up your own mind. All right, as you can see right now, I had the lights dim in here, but from here to the very end of where you see all the way down there, it's right at about 25, 30 yards. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights off. We'll go ahead and we'll cycle through the flashlight. You guys will make up your mind, like I said, and see. You see what you see now. I'll go ahead and put the light on real quick so you can tell just how bright this will be. You guys will get a bird's eye view of everything that you see down there, what I see, and you can see in the camera. That's what you're going to see when I turn the flashlight on. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lights off, and we'll go ahead and we'll start. All right, as promised, I'm going to go ahead and show you now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on the Firefly mode, and you can see the wall pre-illuminated. Takes a few seconds for the camera to... What are those eyes? My goodness. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Anyway, hope it's not a ghost. Anyway, so the lumens aren't as severely bright as other cameras I have. Here's me. You can kind of see me. I'm about, I don't know, 5 yards or so from the camera. So hopefully you can see me. Now that is low. It's a lot better. As you can see all the way in the back there. No problems. We'll go ahead and medium. It's getting better, a lot wider as you can tell. High. Definitely a lot more brighter. I mean, you can see the beam, the intensity, the hotness of the middle is crazy, and there's turbo. Now that one, when you're shining in somebody's eyes, I think with this you can definitely see a huge difference. It's pretty bright. And then of course you got the strobe and you hold the button in. Now the strobe is not, in my opinion, the best, the brightest one I have, but if you're on the receiving end of this, I'd say it's pretty bad. So we are back outside again, same area. I'm about, I don't know, I'm gonna say 20 yards maybe from the building, from where my camera's sitting. There's a lot more light here. We had to add some light out here, so unfortunately I got a lot more light pollution. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start out with the low Firefly mode. You can see if we can see it. You can kind of see a little bit. Definitely cannot see it on the building, so I'll show you what it looks like on me. And you can see, I mean, it shines pretty decent, but if you're looking to really shine with this one, a long distance, it probably is not gonna happen, all right? We'll shoot it on low now. Much better. You can definitely see what you need to see with this. I'm gonna go to medium. Oh yeah, definitely better, right? High. And then last but not least, we're gonna hit the turbo. I think that, my friends, is worth it. What do you think? Now, I will say, you get what you pay for with these lights. If you skimp out and go with energizers or whatever else, you will get what you pay for. So this light, along with all the other Thrunites that I've ever done, is, to me, top notch. My opinion on this light, still not my favorite. You know, I've mentioned before I have a favorite. This is not the one that I carry, nor will it be the one that I do carry. Like I said, this would be for my daughter, if she so chooses to use it, you know, especially for her safety, because she's not of age yet to carry any other firearms. She has a knife, and she'll have this to protect herself with. Now, you know, I did mention about this, you can unscrew it at the beginning of this video. And I also mentioned that I did another video with one very similar to this. If you guys want to see that video, check right here in the corner. It's coming up. Also, leave me a comment about this picture right here on the front. Tell me if you know what it is. Make sure you check out that video. Click on it and I'll see you in that one. Like and subscribe. God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.